Márkos, a Brazilian who has lived in East China's coastal city of Xiamen for 10 years, said he has good expectations for his business in China, a place he takes as his second hometown.
I came to China in 2013, so this year I'm celebrating my 10th anniversary of coming to China. I like to say that this 10 years has been like crazy 10 years, in a good way, because we started our business 2015, and after that we just keep growing and growing and growing, seeking for new opportunities.
Caldera's business focuses on stone trade between China and Brazil. Thanks to a favorable business environment, his company has become one of the largest stone exporters to the Brazilian market.
Last year, especially the first semester of last year, was very good. Okay, we import last year around 30 containers. Okay, so we're talking about an amount something around $4 million. So it was very good the first half. The second half was a little slow, but for this year we have a very good and big expectation. We have a lot of new customers from abroad who come to China to visit us. So for this year we have a great expectation. Yeah, for this year we are expecting invest something around 20 to 30% more than last year. Since I'm here for the past 10 years, I see China like the land of opportunity. I see China develop so fast in the past 10 years that I believe that it still has a big potential market in China. Still have a huge market in China. So in Xiamen I see a lot of new bridges, undersea tunnel, new airport being built, and it's still developing. So it still have a lot of space for development in China. So, and of course this helps a lot for the business part. For the next coming years we're planning to go maybe to Shanghai, Shenzhen, expand our business. And the life, yes. I think, as I said, for the past 10 years, China became my second hometown. So, staying in Xiamen for as long as I can.
In Xiamen, Caldera has found not only business opportunities, but also a happy life.
Well, if I need to describe it in one word, I would say wonderful. I love China, and especially Xiamen. I fell in love for Xiamen since 2013, since the first moment that I landed in Xiamen. Actually, in 2014, I met my girlfriend, which right now is my wife, my beautiful wife. We have two kids, one 4 years old called William, and 1 year old Matthew. So we have a happy Brazilian Chinese family. I would say right now, for the past 10 years, is the first place in my heart.